Hello and welcome back to Think Code and More. So today what I'm going to be doing is another Xcode video with Reality Kit. So let's get into it. So now let's open a new window or whatever tab in your browser. And let's search Skaptic or Skapic.com. This is one of the links you will need. And this is where we can convert OBJ files to USDZ, which is what you need in Reality Kit. So now what the main goal of this video is to show you how to convert your OBJ files to your USDZ and just show you a quick example in an Xcode project. So another site we have to use in this video is poly.google.com. So this is a Google website where people have made OBJ or object files, which are 3D models. Now, in this case, let's just search a virus and an Earth. So let's see what we can get. That's a cool, I guess, looking virus. Let's keep this one. And if you're ever gonna make some sort of app with these, make sure to always credit the creator. This one was made by Google. So now let's make another tab. And also, if you guys want to download Brave with my supporter code or link, that would be appreciated. So now let's find an Earth, if we can find one. Let's see. They probably have an Earth. They have a wide variety of stuff. This is a nice Earth here. You can like, share, download, whatever, and create a GIF of these, remix the content, but there's a license once again. This one is also by Google. Now, I am going to download both of these. So now, you can download as USDZ, this one. And this one, you can also take and download as a USDZ. But, for example, you had an OBJ file. That is where you would use skapic.com/create/USD. I'll have the link in the description. You can click here to upload your file, and then you will be able to make it a USDZ. And look, it says we currently support STL, OBJ, DAE, FBX, and GLTF file formats. Now I've downloaded both of them right here. Let's close these out. We don't really need it anymore. Now that we've downloaded it, let's open a new Xcode project and make sure this is a Reality Kit project. So here, Xcode, new Xcode project. So here, an augmented reality app, Reality Kit. Here, let's put test USDZ. That could be a fine name for this. And now I will click next. You can save this wherever you want. So that is fine. Click create, and now your project will be created. Right now it's loading up for me. So we want to go to our experience. Our experience is our reality, just our reality. So it's a simple tool to create your reality in your augmented reality app, instead of having to do everything from code with creating an object. So now you can add your own objects in an easier and more simple way. Now here they have a bunch of objects you could choose from, and you could download them and everything. Like they have a chess piece somewhere, chess pieces. They have pool balls. They have a toy rocket ship, frames. But here what you want to do to bring in your own is click the import button. When you click import, you will be shown here. Now, let's find our Earth and our virus. So you have two things. Let's import them. Now, these two objects are coming into the scene. We do not need this box anymore, but as you can see here, we have we are right now inside the Earth. Because these things are very big, we will have to just scale them down. Let's go to that size. Yeah. Now let's click on our Earth, which is humongous. Let's bring this guy down. And this thing is very high up. Let's bring this to 0.4. Still, it's pretty big. Let's make it, yeah, that big should be good. This was a very big file. Also, where you see these yellow lines, this is snapping. Those yellow lines surrounding. And that's what I always have to make everything exact in position. So now let's add our Earth, and let's add it right on the center of this entire thing. So if you cannot see where the center is, it's this tiny circle right there. Now let's move this to the coordinates 0, 0, and 0. Now it's right on the center. And now for some of you who might know what I'm doing, let's click on this guy. Let's bring this guy over. And we could see this. Now I think I might actually make a few of these. Let's have 3. Let's put these around the Earth. I'm guessing a lot of people would know what I'm doing. So, here, let's also just add a quick 4th guy to make it all kind of even. So what I'm kind of displaying is coronavirus going around the Earth. So, this is our scene called box. We're loading it in the code. Let's save this just for now. And let's add a quick behavior. Let's add a custom. Trigger from the scene starting, it will continue. And now let's make this orbit. So now here, let's make this guy the one affected object, and this. Oh. That's the center. There we go. Now this axis is a bit weird. I actually do not know why it shows it like that. Can I bring this over? No. It's fine. it will still be orbiting. Let's make this like a 10-second long process. Revolutions, it can go around 2 times. Then let's make this 20 seconds. Now all we have to do is just add 3 more of these. What you can do is just duplicate. Now for this one, we want not this guy to be affected, we want this one to rotate. And everything's the same. And now while I'm doing this, you also might be wondering, how are we going to make these do it at the same time? Because I would say that kind of looks a bit cooler. What we can do is, well, once I finish this last one, right here, let's select this guy. Now, what this will do is first do this one, then this one, then this one, then that one. Let's drag these over on top of the previous. Now, you could see there's no space in between each action sequence. Now, this is all one action sequence happening at the same time. And now, let's just name our behavior as virus rotation. So now, go to properties, just stay here, and now, look around like this. Now this is gonna look kind of cool, I'm hoping. Play. Ooh. It's like the viruses are traveling around the Earth. That is really cool. And you could do a lot more with Reality Kit. I'll have more videos of these coming up, so make sure to stay tuned. So I guess let's move on to the outro. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos about iOS development, Reality Kit, and a lot more on this channel. Also, I have a small surprise that I'll tell you guys in my next video about me joining something. So I'll put the link in the description for that. But bye for now.